Now let us try to understand the truth table for priority encoder. I will assign the input starting from D7 to D0, where D7 has the highest priority and D0 I will set to low priority. Let us say that all the bits are absent, means D7 input is 0, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, D1 0, and if only D0 bit is present, so I will assign output 0 0 0. Since there are 3 output bits, there will be 8 combinations. So out of 8 combinations, the first combination 0 0 0 will be assigned to the D0 bit and it is processed. Now if suppose second case, all the bits are 0, D1 is 1 and D0 is don't care. Why? Because D1 is having higher priority than the D0. So if D1 is present there, first of all D1 will be processed and we don't care about the D0 bit. It is a don't care condition put here, and the output will be taken as 001. The 001 output code, which is an encoded code in the output side, which will indicate that the data line D1 is to be processed, and it will come to know that all the other bits are 0. The same way will follow if D2 bit is present, so we will don't care about D1 and D0. All the bits are 0 here and the code will be assigned to it will be 010. Similarly, if D3 bit is present or the D3 data line is present along with D2 or D1 or D0, so D3 will be processed first provided all the previous lines are 0 and the code assigned to it will be 011, that is nothing but the decimal equivalent third output position. So such a way I'll complete the whole truth table. So this is nothing but the final truth table. On the basis of this truth table, the encoding logic inside the box of 8:3 priority encoder, we need to design this. Means we need to assign Q2, Q1, Q0 in terms of the input lines D7 to D0. So simply by looking at the output side, Q2 column, Q1 column and Q0 column, what I get here is Q2 is present only for 4, 5, 6, 7th inputs. These are corresponds to decimal state. I will write here, so it will be more easy for you to understand. Decimal corresponds to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Since Q2 is present for 4, 5, 6, 7, so Q2 will be this. If you'll go for Q1, Q1 is also sum of product for 2, 3, 6, 7, and at last Q0 will be sum of product of terms 1, 3, 5, 7, and you know very well how to solve this with the help of K-map and how to write down the reduced equation for this one. So this is all about the encoding scheme or the encoder scheme, and this one particularly is the priority encoder, and you can easily implement this with the help of NAND gate, since the equations are in SOAP form. Thank you for watching in 5 minutes, and that's all about the encoder section. In the next section we are going to see what the decoders are. Thank you.